Hi, JD with GREE and another tech tip. Have you ever had a multi-zone unit, say with 4 heads, one of them, no matter what you do, you can't get it to come on, even if it's the only one calling. Say the other 3 are turned off, turn this one on and it just won't come on. The other 3 run perfectly fine. Where I would start is I would come to the outdoor unit. Every head you have a gas and liquid sensor, A, B, C, and D. So, here's the red wires. These red wires are your liquid sensors for A, B, C, and D. These black ones are your gas sensors for A, B, C, and D. So we get some needle point probes. As you see here, in this example, it's reading 24.47. All we're doing is we're going to be moving these probes between the different sensors and looking for the one that's out of range. And once you find the one that's out of range, replace that sensor, and more likely it's going to resolve your issue and that head's going to be back in operation. And again, with GREE, we're by your side.